The United Arab Emirates is seeing a spike in coronavirus cases, with the daily toll passing the 1,000 mark for 5 consecutive days. Some see it as a possible second wave. Authorities say that over 900 people have tested positive for COVID-19 in the 24 hours ending Monday, in nearly 88,000 tests across the country, and the total number of fatalities rising to 429, bringing the total number of confirmed cases in the country to 99,733, according to the Ministry of Health and Prevention. But if the second wave mirrors the first, health officials say they will have it under control.
The beginning was with conducting the highest level of testing per million population in the world. So the strategy was focusing in expanding the testing through PCR. Almost 100% of the population were tested for COVID-19.
Back in April, the Emirates also took a blended civil-military approach to combat the spread, cleansing all public spaces, particularly mosques, while enforcing a nationwide lockdown and moving over to 100% social distance learning, while making sure its hospitals could handle the number of cases.
Also, we have hospital capacity. We have one of the highest hospital capacities worldwide.
Now the country is beginning to open up again, but with guidelines specifically for businesses. Some have been slapped with heavy fines for not complying with government restrictions. And there are new laws penalizing the spread of fake information about the virus, while authorities are worried about winter and the upcoming flu season. But now they may have new tools. In September, the government issued emergency approval for the G42 healthcare vaccine, currently undergoing phase 3 clinical trials, now an option for healthcare workers and high-risk groups.
This vaccine, it was developed in a collaboration between UAE and China, and it was tested here in the UAE for the third stage. And it was proved that it is doing good. You know that in UAE we have more than 200 nationality living here. So the testing, it was in different kind of races, different kind of nationalities, and it was tested in more than 30,000 persons.
And the country is also working on breakthrough treatment of its own.
It is not for curative treatment, but at the same time, it is supportive treatment, and it decreases a lot of the severity of the disease.
And excited about collaborating with Israeli researchers.
We know that Israel is one of the most advanced countries worldwide in the treatments and in the health researches. So it is something that we are really keen about.
Emily Rose, I-24 News.
Now, an economic crisis in Israel due to the coronavirus means an even harsher downturn in the West Bank and Gaza Strip, where the poverty rates are among the highest in the world. With crisis